Welcome back. As much has been talked about the Delhi pollution crisis, now the Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa for the first time has apologized for the pollution. He says it is impossible for any elected government to reduce AQI in 9 to 10 months. I apologize for the pollution in Delhi. We are doing better work than the dishonest AAP government. So goes on to blame the Aam Aadmi Party government. He says we have reduced AQI each day. This disease of pollution is given to us by the Aam Aadmi Party and we are working to fix it. That is what the Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has now said, given that it's been a huge focus of how bad the air quality is in the national capital. It's been in the severe category for the last 3 days, and lots of questions raised as to why year after year Delhi suffers from this toxic air pollution that makes us the most polluted capital anywhere in the world. Let's first listen into what the Delhi Environment Minister said when he firstly apologized but then blamed the previous AAP government.
मैं एवरेज AQI की बात, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, हर महीने हम बेहतर देने में कामयाब हुए। मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं। 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके, ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का AQI कम करा है और इसी तरह अगर कम करते जाएंगे तो ही दिल्ली को साफ हवा देनी संभव है। ये 12-10 साल की आम आदमी पार्टी की बीमारियां, 11 साल की और 15 साल की कांग्रेस की बीमारी जो है, जो अभी राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी जी मास्क लगाकर कहने की बातें कर रहे हैं। मैं राहुल और प्रियंका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, कहां थे आपके मास्क पिछले साल? पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन था।
All right, so Manjinder Singh Sirsa there apologizing for the air pollution but also blaming the previous Aam Aadmi Party government. This comes at a time when it's been an issue in Parliament as well, with the opposition raising it and demanding an adjournment motion and a discussion on the pollution crisis in the national capital. Remember, it's the entire NCR that is suffering from this toxic air pollution. In fact, the last couple of days have been the worst pollution in December, and it's been a time of when several restrictions have also come into place. In fact, lots of schools working in a hybrid mode. Outdoor activities have been also banned. Tandoors have been asked to not be used in Delhi, given the kind of pollution that we are facing. And in fact, all right, well, let's go across to our reporter Ishika joining us for more. Ishika, we just heard the Delhi Environment Minister Sirsa for the first time perhaps apologizing for the toxic air pollution, but then going on to say that no government could solve this in just 8-10 months.
Well, yes, Gargi, quite a dramatic press conference by the Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa. He has support to the residents in the capital, saying that they have come in the government for 9 to 10 months and they are trying their best. But he has also, in fact, gone on to attack the previous government, saying that this is, their doing, that, the people of Delhi are suffering today. So that has happened now. But apart from that, let me tell you that there are few important takeaways from his press conference today. He has, in fact, said that from day tomorrow, vehicles without the PUCC certificates will not be allowed a refuel here in the national capital. Not just that, any truck which is carrying construction material in Delhi, if it is found plying on the roads, then it will be sealed. Now, the Environment Minister has also said that after
private or non-Delhi registered, if they are found flying on the road, they will also be sealed. Now today the Environment Minister also went on to say that there have been actions that has been taken on ground. He has gone on to say that the DPCC, the Environment Wing of the Delhi government, has in fact issued notices, and notice that they have also in fact issued challans, is what the Environment Minister has said today. So certainly this comes after, we have seen that the air quality index has been oscillating between the severe category and the very poor category, and thus the frustration, the public anger on the ground, amping up, and that's what we saw result of it today. The Environment Minister, the Delhi Environment Minister, apologizing to the rest today. Over to you.